Magnification produced by lenses. The ratio of the height of image to the height of object is known as linear magnification. Magnification is equal to height of image h2 upon height of object h1. M is equal to h2 upon h1, which is equation 1. If magnification has plus sign, image formed is virtual and erect. If magnification has minus sign, the image formed is real and inverted. The linear magnification is equal to the ratio of the image distance to the object distance. M is equal to V image distance upon U object distance, which is equation 2. Equating equation 1 and 2, h2 upon h1 is equal to V upon U. Note, in mirrors, linear magnification is M is equal to minus V upon U, and of lenses is M is equal to V upon U.